Welcome back. This is our second tutorial about working with dynamic blocks. In this lesson, we're going to learn about visibility. All right, let's begin by making sure we're on the Home tab. Here's the Block panel. Let's click Block Editor. Nothing's here yet, so let's create a block. We're going to call it Block 001. And let's click OK. Now we're in block editing mode. And now let's go to the Home tab to access our drawing tools. Drop a rectangle here, for example. The size is not so important right now. Now let's go back to the Block Editor tab. The block authoring palettes are docked right. Let's choose the Parameters tab. Left-click to place it in model space. It doesn't really matter where you put it, just wherever you think is convenient. Now let's open the Visibility drop-down menu and select Visibility States. We're going to add a few visibility states. Let's click New. First, we're prompted for a name for the state. Visibility options for new states. These three options are pretty clear. We can hide all existing objects in the new state. We can show all existing objects in the new state. Or we can leave the visibility of existing objects unchanged in the new state. I'll accept the third option and click OK. And the new state appears. Let's click New to create another visibility state. We'll accept the default name and click OK. From this dialog window, we're able to select the state and rename if we need to. Just click the Rename button and type in the new name. We can also quickly delete a state or reprioritize the order using the Move Up and Down buttons. Let's click OK. All right, let's select Visibility State 1. Go to the Home tab now, so we can access our drawing tools. Let's place a circle about here. Now Visibility State 2, let's activate that. And we'll create a triangle there. Activate the Line tool. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Something like this. Back to the block editor, let's test our block. Select the block, and let's toggle between the visibility states. The block behaves just as we intended. Let's exit the test block mode and close the block editor. We're prompted to save our changes. Let's do that. We're on the Home tab and we're ready to insert our block. Go to the Block panel, click Insert. The name is pre-selected since we've only got one block. Let's click OK. Left-click in model space to place the block. Now let's toggle between the visibility states. And the block works just as we configured. Editing your dynamic block is easy. With the block selected, just right-click and scroll up to Block Editor. Make your changes, and when you're done, click Close Block Editor. This concludes our second lesson about working with dynamic blocks.